What's up guys, Yogesh here from Utilize the Business. In this video, I'm going to share you my simple strategy how you can make money for free from Facebook. Interested? Stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to give you a simple template that you can use it for your own Facebook profile and start making money for free. Let's go. Welcome back. Yeah, those of you who are watching this video and not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button as we come up with the video every week so that you're notified for our next video that comes out. And this channel is all about how to make money on online, different strategies that you use, paid or organic, paid traffic, different tools that you can use, be it on for the sales funnels, for affiliate marketing, or for selling digital product at all. Now, if you're interested, you gotta stick to this channel, and we are slowly growing. Coming back to what this video is all about. This video is all about how to make money from Facebook for free, not using Facebook ads. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta look at Facebook as in terms of where you are networking with other people. Networking with other people, similar way, instead of being a face-to-face, you're doing it online, on digital, through the Facebook platform. Now, the way you gotta do is you gotta do something for the people to come and check out your profile. Now, your profile has to set up correctly so that they exactly know who you are and how you can help them. No, remember, it's nothing about you, it's about them, how you can help them. So set out your profile correctly and give them a direction on what to do, how they can get in touch with you, or whatever you're offering can help them, how they can get that. So the simpler it is, much better it is, and that's the way you can use the Facebook space that Facebook has given to you, so that your personal profile, and you can set it up correctly, and you can able to have a lot of leads, and those leads can will lead up to sales, and you can make money using this strategy on Facebook. So why don't I dive in and show you my Facebook profile and how I've set it up and how you can set it up to the same thing. And if you're still watching this video, stick around till the end of it. Like I said, I'm actually going to share the template and give you a link and tell you exactly how to use the template for your own Facebook profile. So the first thing you got to do, like I said, is look at your profile and how to set it up. The first thing you need to set it up is the Facebook cover for your profile. Now, I've set it up so that somebody who comes in and look at my profile will say, you know, this headline, you know, tells them exactly how I can help them to get leads and sales without spending money on ads. Now, as a business owner, somebody coming in, who wouldn't want that? As a person who's always looking to expand their business, you know, who wouldn't want that? Then I just have this one that's saying get started. They click on this, tell them exactly where to go so that I can help them, how I can help them to set up their Facebook profile, to getting leads and sales without free. This links to the sales page that I'm targeting right now. While I was making this video, I'm targeting real estate agents and showing them this strategy, how they can use it. So if they come in and click on there, this will actually go in here. Now, this strategy, not only real estate agent, any other person can use it and use it for their business. So let's go back to the Facebook profile. So that's the first thing. So you need to set up something similar to this for your own Facebook profile, and when they click on the cover page, it actually should connect to a sales page, a sales funnel, where you can get their emails or their contact information. Now, most important thing is, why would they give them your contacts? The way they could do is, first thing is, maybe they're looking for something and they saw your comment on Facebook group or on somebody else's profile, or somebody else recommended you for whatever it is. Now, so in order for you to do this, all of that is, you got to go and joining Facebook groups that are in your niche or in your area of business. For example, mortgage broker or designer, or you know, a gym owner or dietitian, etc., etc. There are tons and tons of Facebook groups out there that specifically look into this area, and you can join this group. And once you join in, you need to do a post there which attracts them to your profile. So you can make a comment on the profile, and once you make a comment on somebody's profile, it tells them where this comment is from. And so if I go in here, it actually tells me where this comment from. I click on there, it will lead back to the profile of the person, which would be the profile in this case for demonstration, my profile, and then they will click on somewhere to get the thing. Now, like I was saying, it sales template is the one that I can just help you guys to get that. Now the link will be under description. Now this is the sales template that you can get it for my thanks for you watching this video. Now all you gotta do is edit this and make it to your own. This is where you do the mock-up of lead magnet, meaning something you gotta give it to them so that they can, the person who's coming there get that. For example, if you're a dietitian, 10 steps to achieve your goal weight in next 90 days, something like that. And then you have a free guide of how to have a diet plan for somebody who wants to lose some weight. And then you have it here, testimonial from the customers, and then you can actually tell them what the benefit is of them getting this ebook or guide that you're giving to them. Benefit 1, 2, 3, and then you talk a little bit about yourself. And this is my little picture. You can have your own picture there, edited it. Remember, this is all built in Clickfunnels. So if you have the account, this will all go through there. If you don't worry guys, this will go in there and you can get a 14-day free trial and use this. The other thing is, if people wants to get a step-by-step guide of how they can use all that, they can get the blueprint. This one, you can use this blueprint for any niche that any business that you're in. So you do not have to be specific about real estate, as this sales page says it. Now this one talks all about how to set up your own cover page, how to set up this, how to set up the headlines and all that. All that is given in that blueprint, and if you need that, link will be below that to get the blueprint on. Hope you enjoyed this video and you're still with me watching this. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.